Hey there, agriculture enthusiasts. Today I'm taking you on a peaceful journey through the lush green paddy fields of Bangladesh. Imagine the warm sunlight kissing the land as farmers begin their day. In rural Bangladesh, rice farming is more than just a job. It's a way of life. Early in the morning, you'll find farmers dressed in traditional attire, ready to sow the seeds that will become the staple food for millions. They use ancient tools like the plow, driven by sturdy oxen,